Greetings! In the previous lessons for our company SBS Trading, which is specialized in purchases and sales of hoverboards, we have determined the rules of sales and delivered a quotation. Today we are going to work with contracts and customer orders. Besides, we'll see how to monitor order fulfillment. In the 1C ERP system, the sales subsystem is used for this process. A sales manager of our remote office in Berlin has given a quotation to the hoverboard shop to deliver them 10 items of basic hoverboards 1010 and 15 items of basic hoverboards 1020 for a total amount of around 15,000 euros. The sales manager received customer confirmation of this quotation. Besides, the customer has an intention to purchase batches of hoverboards from us in the future. After that, the sales manager concluded a contract with customer, which describes the delivery conditions on behalf of our company. Let's now find out how the 1C ERP system makes it possible to manage relations with customers using contracts. As we mentioned before, a key difference between an agreement and a contract is that an agreement describes general rules of working with a client, while a contract reflects information of a specific existing legal document. Contract management may be carried out in any case, irrespective of whether agreements are used in a company or not. Let's simulate concluding a framework contract to supply hoverboards with Hoverboard Shop within the 1C ERP system. To do this, go to the Sales subsystem, then the area Create, and choose Contract with Customer. A window opens where you can create a customer contract. Specify the name. The main tab contains information about the parties entered into a contract, about a company, which is a contract party, about a counterparty, business entity or individual, and about a customer, partner. This is also where you may specify the contract term when putting it into effect. Execution of documents is only possible according to contracts still in effect. The Settlements and Registration tab contains information about settlement details. Settlement performed according to contracts, orders, or invoices. One of the conditions of the contract may be a specific total amount which a customer should fully use to buy goods or services. It's possible to control the total amount and the deadline for its payment within the framework of the contract. If the amount is exceeded or the deadline is not met, then it is prohibited to ship products to a customer according to the contract. The amount is fixed in the currency stipulated by the contract. Amount due and deadline control is carried out only in a customer contract. When posting sales documents, it's possible to control the amount due and deadline for its payment. A document cannot be posted if the amount due is exceeded. There are users who have the right to decline sales conditions. For instance, a head of a department may change the amount due limit in the customer contract and make it possible to post the document. The following statuses may be applied to a contract: not approved, valid, closed. A printed copy of the signed contract can be attached to a contract form and stored in attachments. To attach a file, press Files at the top of the window and then press Add to select the path of the file. In order to record a new contract in the system, you need to press Save and Close. We have created our contract. To find your contract, go to Sales, Wholesale, Contracts with Customers, and you can filter by counterparty. After receiving a confirmation of the quotation by the customer, the sales manager issued an invoice for further supplies according to the contract concluded. In 1C ERP, there is a special document for a client invoice called Sales Order. Now let's create a customer order by Hoverboard Shop based on the quotation. The sales order document is used for registration of arrangements with the customer regarding shipment of certain products. It also determines payment rules. Managing the order completion process is achieved through order statuses and states. Using this information, a manager adds actions which need to be done. If a confirmation of the quotation has preceded customer order placement, then the order may be created based on the quotation. In this case, the majority of information required to place an order will be added automatically. In order to register a new customer order, let's open the quotation. Go to the Sales subsystem, then Wholesale, then choose Quotations to Customers and open the document which we created in the previous lesson. Press Create on the basis and choose Sales Order. The window where Sales Order is created opens. The main tab contains information about the customer and the business entity, counterparty, on whose behalf this customer is working. The info has been added automatically. Sales conditions are also added automatically based on the agreement, standard or individual, depending on the selected customer. Payment rules have been filled in automatically by invoices, and payment option is prepayment, as we specified in the payment schedule. We can edit all these fields manually in case we face changes regarding the quotation. Goods tab has also been completed automatically based on the quotation. Goods, prices, VAT, and total amount are all specified. We now need to add the date of planned shipment. Let's choose the day after tomorrow. On the Delivery tab, choose our transportation service to customer, because in Berlin we have trucks that deliver products to customers. If we choose this type of delivery, we need to specify the address. Then, for completion status, press Post and Close. We have successfully posted an order. Good job!